Does alkaline water actually do anything for your body to compensate for that extra money that it costs? At MattChilledH2O on Twitter says, what do you think about a water ionizer to get alkaline water? I have heard you say that you want to keep your body in an alkaline state, so what do you think about alkaline water?
I love alkaline water. I think it tastes amazing, right? Remember?
Is it a scam or is it real?
No, it tastes good.
Yeah, I think depending on where you live in the world, quality of water that some people have to deal with is pretty poor, pretty low quality.
New York has great water.
New York
California
does.
water's not
New
so
York
good.
City has, is it just New York City or is it like everywhere in New
I
York?
think it might be the whole East Coast.
I would
don't
think
know.
like New York City would not have good water.
Yeah, you'd think because it'd be like dirty
but it's
pipes
like
and
delicious
stuff,
water.
right?
But here we use filter. So before we get into what Jessica and I drink, I first want to give some background on what alkaline water is. So alkaline water, some people call it alkaline water, it can be purchased in most grocery stores, and the term alkaline or alkaline refers to the pH scale. So the pH scale ranges from 0 to 14, with 0 being the most acidic and 14 being the most alkaline. Having a low pH level is linked to having a weaker immune system, greater risk of cancer and disease, and muscle loss. A more balanced pH level helps you stay healthier and more energized. So different foods and drinks fall somewhere within the 0 to 14 range. So higher alkaline foods include green vegetables and higher antioxidant fruits. Now, higher acidic foods primarily includes foods found in the standard American diet, also known as the SAD diet. So these include processed foods, grains, sugar, and soda. Regular drinking water is considered neutral at a pH of 7. Now, alkaline water has a higher pH of 8 to 9, thus making it more alkaline. So spring water becomes more alkaline from the addition of natural minerals found in the spring. This is different than regular water that uses an ionizer product to help remove the molecules in that water that are more acidic. So when you remove those acidic molecules, this can raise the water's alkalinity. So based on this, is alkaline water good for you? So the major health benefit claims associated with alkaline water include helping neutralize the acid in the body, thus helping prevent cancer and disease, improving hydration, slowing the aging process, improving your immune system, improving blood flow and endurance, and reducing acid reflux. Now, based on these health claims, does this mean that we should all be investing in alkaline water? Well, unfortunately, it depends on who you talk to. Many doctors and health professionals say there is not enough research or studies that back the marketing claims that are being made by these alkaline water marketers. Now, the one claim that seems to have research that backs it up is that alkaline water may help reduce acid reflux. Now, this is because alkaline water may help deactivate the enzyme pepsin, which may be responsible for causing acid reflux. So bottom line here on alkaline water, is it good for you? Well, it's not that alkaline water is bad for you. The issue is, does alkaline water actually do anything for your body to compensate for that extra money that it costs? And to date, it seems like there has not been enough research dedicated to proving the health claims to be real over the long term. Now, ultimately, this doesn't mean that the health claims are not true. It just means that more research is needed to validate them. So if you have a budget for alkaline water, just do your research on the company first, because the quality of the water being used before that ionization process is important. Using water that is purified first via reverse osmosis before that ionization process can help remove the contaminants and raise the pH level and the minerals in the water. However, a cheaper way to alkalinize your water is just by adding lemon or lime to regular water that has been filtered to first remove the contaminants. Even though lemon and lime is acidic, they contain minerals that creates the alkaline system when metabolized by the body. This is why I drink lemon water every morning. Then after my lemon water, I then drink a greens cocktail containing a nutrient-dense raw superfood complex of alkaline ingredients. So I'll put a link to my greens cocktail supplement in the description below. Now, with all the background out of the way, let's get into what Jessica and I think of alkaline water. But here we use a filtration system through our fridge. I've always used a Brita as well. Down at one of the gyms that we train at, they have
reverse osmosis.
Reverse osmosis is the best kind of water that they have, and it's so good.
And my parents have that at their house too.
Yeah.
We're always like guzzling water when we go to those places.
So I would say if you can afford it, then absolutely invest in your water because it's so important for your body. And if it makes it taste better for you, then and you're gonna drink more of it, by all means.
Sometimes it's just hard to get.
It's more expensive.
It's a pain in the butt, but we definitely drink a lot of water every day, and we try to drink the most.
The better.
Water from the gym.
We go down there.
Maybe that's why we work out so much.
Go down there with all our water jugs.
Yeah, we take all of our gallon jugs and fill them all up and bring them home.
To find the best workout and nutrition program for you, go take our Live Lean Body Quiz. Answer 4 simple questions and we'll get you on the best program based on your goals. Every training program includes warm-ups, workouts, cool downs, and nutrition plans. We have it all. Go take the Live Lean Body Quiz here. Question of the day: what type of water do you drink? Share your experiences in the comments section below. Now I want you to go watch this video right over here on the lemon water benefits and how to make lemon water.